So here's the crane with Harper getting ready to operate it. She turns it on.
That's
Turn that on. So now this is being raised. Up there. Okay, go ahead and stop that. Now we're lowering it back down. Hey Harper, can you? All right, now we're extending the boom. Let's go ahead and stop that. Now Harper, why don't you rotate the crane. Oh, yeah, turn this off. Why don't you rotate the crane with that switch there?
Right here?
Yep. Okay, now the crane's gonna turn. Let's see if we can pick up this thing. All right, stop the rotation. No, you just turn it off there. All right, now we'll rotate.
I'm just gonna where they can. So when can I stop it?
Pretty soon. Okay, stop it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, now we have to do that
Now
and
lift it up.
it's pulling it up.
And that is pretty much what the crane can do.